It's learning time. Ruff, ruff. Ear. Blue ear. Ruff, ruff. Hand. Green hand. Yay! Foot. Yellow foot. Tummy. You're fun. That tickles. Heart. Red heart. I love you. A-B-C-D-E-F-G H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? It's a great big colorful world out there. Everything's got a color that it can wear. You see red and orange and green and blue. There's yellow, pink and purple too. You find different shades wherever you go. In this colorful world I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Join with me and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I've got 2 arms and I've got 2 hands. I've got 2 legs that help me stand. I've got a nose upon my face and a mouth with a tongue to taste. Oh, I've got 2 ears so I can hear. I've got 2 eyes so I can see. I've got ears and eyes and I feel so wise when you smile at me. Let's sing and play games. The itsy-bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy-bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Patty cake, baker's man. Take me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with a B, and put it in the oven for baby and me. So big. Arf, arf. This little puppy went to market. This little puppy stayed home. This little puppy had a biscuit. This little puppy had a bone. And this little puppy sang up, 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 all the way home. Got my toes. That tickles. Arf, arf. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. That tickles. Hooray! Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and nose and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. are wonderful. Can you give me a hug?